All right, let's look at this question. It says simplify 3 minus 2 over x minus 3 plus 1 over x minus 3 all squared. Okay, so the first thing we look for the LCM. The LCM is x minus 3 all squared. So from here, this is 3 over 1. So we'll rule our line, put our LCM here, x minus 3 all squared. So this is like 3 over 1. So 1 in this is x minus 3 all squared. So times 3, so that's 3 into bracket x minus 3 all squared minus x minus 3 in this. One of them will cancel out. We are left with x minus 3. So that becomes 2 into bracket x minus 3. Now, you know, x minus 3 squared means x minus 3 times x minus 3. So one of these x minus 3 will cancel out. Now, plus x minus 3 squared in this, it goes off. That's 1. So we have 1 times 1. So from there, let's expand. This becomes 3 into bracket x minus 3 all square. Look at the corner of your notes. Let's do that. Minus 3 all squared. X times x, that's x squared. X times negative 3, that's negative 3x. Negative 3 times x, that's negative 3x. And negative 3 times negative 3, that's positive 9. So this becomes x squared minus 6x plus 9. So we put it here. So this becomes x squared minus 6x plus 9 minus, let's expand this, negative 2 times x, that's negative 2x. Negative 2 times negative 3, that's negative 6, plus 1 times 1 is 1 over, don't forget, our x minus 3 all squared. So from here, let's expand. This becomes 3x squared minus 3 times 6x, that's 18x, minus 18x plus 9 times 3, that's 27, minus 2x minus negative 6 plus 1, that will give us negative 5. Negative 5. Of course, from here we still have our hold on, sorry, this is negative 2 times negative 3, that's positive 6. Positive 6. So this will give us our positive 7. Positive 7. Take note, negative 2 times x, that's negative 2x. Negative 2 times negative 3, that's positive 6. Minus times minus is positive. Okay, so this is x minus 3 all squared. So from here, let's collect like terms. This and this, negative 18x minus 2x will give us negative 20. So this becomes 3x squared minus 20x. This plus this, 27 plus 7, that's 34, plus 34 over x minus 3 all squared. So we have ended up simplifying this fraction to give us 3x squared minus 20x plus 34 over x minus 3 all squared.